Good morning, class. Today we will discuss food crops other than grains. So they are very important crops because they are also the part of food, and but after the food we use them in our daily life. So that is first one is sugarcane. Sugarcane is a tropical as well as subtropical crop. Tropical, you understand, like in the hot season it is grown, and subtropical area like above Tropic of Cancer region, that also it is grown. So it grows well in hot and humid climate. Humid climate when moisture is there, with the temperature of 21 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius, and annual rainfall requires 75% to 100 centimeter. Irrigation is required in the region where the low rainfall take place, and it can be grown on a variety of soil, needs manual labor from sowing to harvesting. That is, I think, sowing to harvesting, and India is the second largest producer of sugarcane only after Brazil. It is the main source of sugar, mint sugarcane, and the gur or jaggery, the khansari, and molasses. Molasses we call to like a liquid, जिसको हिंदी में हम शीरा भी बोलते हैं. The major sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Punjab, and Haryana. Now, one important fact is about sugarcane, that earlier in Uttar Pradesh or in the northern part of India, it is grown highly, but now it has been shifted towards the south. The reason behind is that the good quality of sugarcane is grown there because of high temperature, and side by side we can say that the quality of sugarcane is good because of sucrose content. So oil seeds. Next one is oil seeds. Oil seeds in 2016. India was the second largest producer of groundnut in the world after China, and it uh, rapeseeds production. India was the third largest producer in the world after Canada and China in 2016. Different oil sheets are grown, covering the approximately 12% of the total cropped area in the country. The main oil sheet produced in India are groundnut, mustard, coconut, and uh, sesame, that is til, and soybean. Castor sheets. Castors is one kind of another oil, and cotton sheets, lint sheets, sunflower. Most of these are edible and used in the cooking mediums. So, however, some of these are also used as a raw material in the production of soap, cosmetics, ointments. Ointments का मतलब होता है whenever any kind of you can say uh, on the injury, when we use any kind of medicine, that is कोई भी हम अगर कोई दवाई वगैरह लगाते हैं तो उसको ointments बोलते हैं. Groundnut is a kharif crop and accounts for about half of the major oilseed produced in our country. And Gujarat was the largest producer of groundnut, followed by Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. In 2016 or 17, linseed and mustard are rabi crops, and sesame is a kharif crop in northern and rabi crop in South India. So custard sheet is grown both as rabi and kharif crop. So another one beverages is tea and coffee. So tea, we know that tea is an example of plantation agriculture. It is also important beverage crop introduced in India initially by British, and today the most of tea plantation are owned by the Indians. So the tea plants are grows well in the tropical and subtropical climates, endowed with the deep and fertile, well drained, rich soil like humus and organic matter. Tea bushes require warm and moist, frost-free climate all through the year. मतलब सारा साल इनको नमी चाहिए होती है, as you can see in the picture. So hilly region is required for this. So frequent showers evenly distributed over the year ensure continuous growth of tender leaves. मतलब ड्राई मौसम नहीं होना चाहिए, मौसम में नमी होनी चाहिए जिससे कि लीव्स एवरग्रीन रहें और उनके अंदर मॉइस्चर बना रहे. सो year ensure continuous growth of tender leaves. Tea is labor intensive industry. Labor intensive, more labors are required in this plantation. It requires abundant, cheap and skilled labor. Skilled labor means they must be adapted in you can say picking up the leaves of the tea plant, so that because delicately they have to be picked up, because अगर पत्ते अच्छे से नहीं चुने जाएंगे तो क्वालिटी डिक्लाइन हो सकती है. So tea garden restore its freshness. Major tea producing states are Assam, Hill of Darjeeling and Jabalpur districts, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Andhra, a part of these Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh and Tripura are the tea producing states in the country. In 2016, India was the second largest producer of tea after China. So it was about tea, and these are very important questions. Generally, they come in long and short, both kind of answers. Another is that coffee. Indian coffee is known for its quality in the world. Arabica variety of initially brought from Yemen is produced in our country, and this variety is a great demand in the world. And initially, the cultivation was introduced by Baba Budan Hills, and even today the cultivation is confined to Nilgiri and Karnataka. Why Nilgiri and Karnataka? Because they are very much near to equator. This is Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Nilgiri Hills. So you can say it requires hot climate. Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So I think it is finishes still here. Another is that horticulture. Horticulture, the culture of you can say vegetable, fruits and flowers. So India was the second largest producer of fruits and vegetable in the world after China. India is producer of tropical as well as temperate fruits. So tropical and temperate you can make difference with your own, like mangoes of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, oranges of Nagpur and cherrapunjis Cherrapunji and bananas of Kerala and Mizoram, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, lychee and guava of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, and pineapples of Meghalaya, grapes of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Maharashtra, apples, pears, apricots and walnuts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh are the great demand in the world over. So means we are having a rich variety of these fruits and vegetables. So India, if we tell about other, like India is an important producer of pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage and tomato and brinjals. So next topic will be of our non food crop. So in this video till here we discuss